I don't like it. Yes, I'm bitching in this video, straight up. I know sometimes y'all say, you're always bitching. I'm bitching today. I don't like it. The new Spark, the way that they are presenting the offers to us, I can't make sense of it. Okay, here's an example. Like, I'm looking all over the place because I don't know where the information is that I'm used to finding. $20.29 estimate. Estimate tip $4.13. 10 miles. One drop off shopping 40, 50. I don't know what this whole new design layout. If it ain't broke, why fix it? I don't know where to look. My eyes are just wandering everywhere. Okay? I was used to look. There was nothing wrong with the way offers were presented to us on the Spark Driver app. What? Which Walmart? I'm still looking to try to figure out which Walmart it is. Wait a minute. What? Where's my Walmart? Oh, okay. 1156. I like 4434, the neighborhood market. Oh my God. What do y'all think of the new layout? The way they're presenting them?